Okay, so today's problem is this. This two problem, and it looks kind of hard because it has a decimal and it's also division. But if you know how to do it, it'll be so simple, guys. Okay, so let's do this problem first. So you just need to just add the decimal point at the top, so that makes sure you don't forget it. So let's do it. So is the 9, so it's the 2 going into 9? Absolutely. So 2 times 4 will be 8, so we'll get 8. We'll get 4 here, and we'll get the 8 on the bottom, like this. And if you minus this, it will be 1. And then this 2 will go down right here. It'll be like this. So this 2 will go down right here. So it'll be 12. So how many times that 2 is going into 12? 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 times 6 will be 12. So we need to just 2 times 6, and the answer will be 4.6, and it will be 12. If you minus this 2, it will be 0. So the answer is 4.6, and the remainder is 0. So there will be nothing here. And now let's solve this problem. This is more harder because it has like more numbers to division. But if you know how to do it, it'll be so simple. So also the same, we just put the decimal point, otherwise that we don't forget it. And 3 times 3 will go into 9. So 3 times 3 is 9. So 9, it'll be 0. And then 1 goes down, and it's just enough to go into 3. So also the 2 will go down, so it will be 12 as well. So 3 times, let's try 4. It's 12 when you times 4 into 3. So it will be 12. So 4 times 3, or 3 times 4, it will be 12. So in the same way, and then just minus, and it will be 0. So answer will be 2.4, and the remainder will be 0, which is nothing. I hope you guys learned how to dividing a decimal. So I'll see you guys next video. Bye.